my name is Angeline Flortua, aka The Flying Angel, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, press nyo na yung subscribe button because guys, we're road to 1K. At the moment, 920 subscribers, so who knows, maybe you're number 1000 or 1001. For today's video, we'll be doing the continuation of my Miss Universe look. If you haven't watched yet our previous look, the first one, this was an interview look. But for today's video, we'll be doing my Miss Universe pictorial look. Guys, this is our official glam shot for Miss Universe Yearbook 2019. So I'm very excited to share it with you, and I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. Well, first things first, isasuot ko muna yung pretty hairband ko. Kasi ayaw ko yung makalat ang hair ko while doing makeup. And of course, I'm sorry, but I have to turn the lights off. This one, I mean. Kasi otherwise, I have this purple shine on my face and you wouldn't be able to see clearly my makeup. So, ready? Okay guys, this look is actually very easy. It's very natural as well. If you have seen our pictures, the colors that we used was nude, matte, and for me, the Asian type, it was really natural lang makeup. So I would have brown, orange eyeshadow, and nude colored lips. And of course, focus on the contouring. Headshot to from head to chest, so the face is the main point. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So I'm going to use again my favorite eyebrow palette and with the eyebrow pencil, of course. I remember this shoot was one of the first times, if I'm not wrong, with Miss Universe that they worked with the official photographer, Mr. Fadil Berisha. It was such an honor to work with him and I love the results. Kasi last year, naalala ko, yung nag-represent ng Belgium, yung picture na ginamit nila sa yearbook was her official headshot or body, full body shot. So that was taken with your own photographer back in your country. So it was really nice to do this year differently kasi ano niya nga. I'm having difficulties with my pronunciation minsan sa Tagalog. I was saying I really like the shot, the photo shot. I really like the photo shoot kasi nga for me it was the first time kasi diba I did Miss World as well and we didn't even had a headshot or official glam shot. Yeah, that's true. Wala kaming picture doon. First time ko sa international pageant na magayon ng glam shot. And maganda siya kasi lahat-lahat equal. Like, everyone wore the same outfit and everyone had almost the same makeup look. Nare-remember ko lang yung mga moments ko back then. I think, yata yun, 4th day of the 10 days na nagstay kami dun sa US. So, ito yung pencil ko, by the way. Ito yung palette ko. I-draw lang ako ng mga strokes. Even for this pictorial, you had to do your own makeup pala. Yung first video ko, yung interview look, I also did my own makeup there. Well, basically, all the time you have to do your own makeup. But there will be a retouch team. As it says, retouch. I remember we had to queue haba ng line. Pero I was basically ready. My makeup was well approved. So, I was one of the first to do the shoot with Mr. Fadil. Add lang konti. Tapos, be-brush natin yan para mag-blend. Mabuti. See, very light lang. Hindi siya makapal. May rashes ako today. See, my skin is not perfect because nobody is perfect. Niwax ko kasi kagabi yung bigote ko. May nagreklamo. Ayan tuloy, nagkaroon ng mga bubbles. Pero, retokin natin yan ng makeup. Okay. Yan. Then, we'll clean it with the foundation. I'm using my favorite again. This is a cream foundation. And of course, with my foundation brush. So, we'll clean the brows. Actually, I could use a smaller brush to clean my eyebrows. Pero, tingnan natin kung kakayanan. So, ganun lang. Linisin mo yung eyebrows mo kung sumobra ka kanina with the brown powder. So okay, I'm applying my foundation na. After cleaning my eyebrows, I'm doing my full face. It was such an honor doing a photo shoot with Mr. Fadil. Because before joining Miss Universe, I would always see his BTS with Pia Wurtzbach. And of course, the reigning queen was Catriona Gray. And now that moment, I got to stand before his lens. And I have my own shot now. So we'll cover my rashes, my bubbles. Whoop. If may concealer ka, conceal mo yung mga eye bags mo. Ako gamit ko foundation. Tapos i-whiten ko na lang mamaya with powder. This was in a room where the registration took us well, at the very back. And it was very simple, just a simple setup. And we had to queue on the side, and everyone had to wear the same outfit for this shoot, which was pula na silk na tela, or ano tawag dun? Basta cover. Covered sa bottom. Axel saying not. I think I'll have to use a smaller brush para sa ilalim ng eyebrows ko. So I'm going to use this brush. Ayusin natin ito. Okay, the next step is this powder that I use. This is like my HD powder. This is for the lights and the cameras. Sige, pwede nito sa forehead. Forehead! Okay. Para hindi siya mag-shine. And then for underneath my eyes, this is what I usually use. I'm going to use this powder just here below my eyes para makonceal konti yung eye bags natin. Close your mouth. That's done, and now I can put my finishing powder all over my face. Ooh, too much powder. The next step is we're going to work on the eyes. Again, I am using my favorite palette. This is a Morphe palette. Medyo orange and brown shades ang ginamit ko. And you can see parang may wing ako. So I'm using tape. This is to guide and help me make it much easier. So yan. I miss my roommate. So yan, no? Ina-apply ko lang siya just below the lower lash line. Parang wing siya. With this brush, I'm using just a light shade first. Just over the whole eyelid. Now I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush with light orange. Just going over the whole area. I'm going to take my other brush para mas madali. So now we're going to take a darker shade. So going from orange, I am going to brown. This one. Just tap a little and then start apply it on the outer edge. And of course, the last color is a little bit darker, and this is this shade, the shade of brown. And also on the outer and of course here on the outer edge of your eyelid. Now we blend it all together very well. Almost there. So I'd say very easy lang ang look. Take the tape off. Yeah. Dandan lang. Ayan. And now we'll blend it with the brush. Okay, so linisin natin ulit yan with our foundation. Kasi di ba nag-tape ka, so natatanggal yung foundation mo kaya i-reapply mo lang. And then the next step, for the lower eyelid, I basically only use black eyeliner. Ay! Wala na. Masira. Madalas ko na kasi ginamit eh. Kawawa na siya. Kailangan na palitan. Okay lang. Basta hindi ako mapapalitan. Charot. Okay, so black eyeliner. Just a thin line here. And then, I'll blend that para hindi siya straight. Yeah, not bad. Lagyan na natin ng eyelashes muna. So, I'm using falsies. So, very natural lang. Probably medyo mahaba, kaya puputulin natin yan. Okay, you see it's too long, so we have to cut here. Just uy. Patuyuin lang natin konti. Tapos, meanwhile, saan na yun? I-curl natin ang natural lashes natin. Nagsilang pilit mata ko. Lord, give me more eyelashes. Please. Okay, focus muna ako dito. Palagi natatanggal yung mga pilit mata ko pag minamadali ko. So, next step, since tapos na yung eyes, we'll do the contouring. I'm using this brush. And of course, my contour palette. Yes, so start with gray and then brown. So, the forehead. Or jawline. And of course, contour the nose. Okay, bronzer. This one. Again, my angled brush. I'm going to use this one. Here, but the same skin tone. And then we can add some highlights or yeah, some highlights here on the eyebrows. Pero yung matte na highlight kasi ayaw ng photographer shiny yung face. So using this white one. We can add a little bit of blush, pero hindi siya requirement. Pero lagyan natin ng konting blush. Here, the cheeks, little bit lang. And the last step, of course, our lips. So, moisturize muna natin ulit. My nose is cribbled. My lips, let's do with this. Para siyang pink na nude na matte. So just for the lip liner. To make it more nude, I'll add some brown shade, or how you call this color. And that's it for today's look. Yeah, that's it for today's look. See, super easy lang. Just natural glam look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give mo ng like kasi that would help me a lot. And of course, share mo sa mga kaibigan mo. At pag di ka pa nakaka-subscribe, press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell kasi maggagawa pa tayo ng dalawang makeup tutorials ng Miss Universe series ko. We still have the preliminary look which you have probably seen sa preliminary competition of course. Ito ay yung may bun, and more on glamour style makeup and of course on stage makeup. And the final look, which you haven't seen yet, pero almost the same siya as a preliminary look, just the hairstyling is a little bit different. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. See ya!